beauty, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe that you can use to regain womanhood. You can use it to cure infection. You can use it to get rid of that fish smell under there. Yes guys, don't just look this ingredient as a simple ingredient, but it's a very useful ingredient. It's so beneficial for that V area. It's so very good. Trust me guys, I have tried this recipe. That's why I'm here today to share this wonderful recipe with you guys. It is so very easy to prepare. What we are going to be needing, guys, we are going to be needing our Clove. As you can see, I just have 1 tablespoon of my Clove right here, and then I have 1 cup of my drinkable water, and I have my water right here just to rinse the Clove. And let me show you how I prepare it. This recipe is so very effective if you use it correctly. Not that using it like 1 day, 2 days, you don't see any effect or changes and you will start complaining. No, this recipe doesn't have any side effect. It is natural remedy. This is so very natural. It is something that you can continue using. You can continue using it until you see the difference. At least I assure you, after 3 days you will really see a very big difference, especially for a woman out there that has infection or that has that bad smell under there, and you can use it to regain womanhood. You know that a womanhood of something is natural. Yes, a woman that haven't gave birth can also have a loose V under there. Not all women that has given birth that has loose V. No, please keep on watching and make sure you watch till the end and see how I prepare this Clove water effectively. Make sure you watch to the end guys and see how I prepare my Clove water. As you can see on the table, I have my top on top of my cooker. I have 1 tablespoon of my Clove, and I have some water right here to wash my Clove, and I have a cup of drinkable water. You have to make sure that you sanitize your hand, you wash your hand properly before touching anything, because sanitizing really helps to get rid of bacteria from your hand, really guys. And it is very important that you use just the amount you need. And let me show you how I prepare mine. As I said before, you don't have to take it just only once or twice or 3 times and you say that it didn't work. No, please make sure you continue using this Clove water. It is so very effective guys. Trust me, it is so very effective. You have to use it correctly. As you can see, I'm just going to pour my Clove inside the water. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wash. My hand is clean and I sanitize it also. You just wash the Clove. It's just a little amount, but you will see how the water is going to change. Wash it. You can wash it once or twice. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing, you have to sanitize your hand. Pot is already clean, and I'm going to add it inside my pot. Yeah, as you can see guys, after transferring everything inside my pot, I'm going to pour a glass of water. I normally pour a glass of water in 1 tablespoon. And again, this is for drinking. Also, you are going to be using it to wash under that V. Yeah, I will explain that later. Let us do it step by step. I'm going to pour the water inside. and I'm going to boil this 1 cup of water in a medium heat for just 15 minutes. Yes, for just 15 minutes, and you will see how this water is going to change. Guys, as you can see, after boiling it for 15 minutes, this is how the water is looking like. Yes, then I'm going to strain the water. I don't need to reuse it again. After boiling it, don't reuse it again. Yes, this is the water you need. Yes guys, you have to drink this water every day, every morning. Let this be your tea. And again in the evening, what you are going to be doing, just take just 2 pieces of clove, 2 pieces like this. As you can see guys, 2 pieces of clove. Every evening before going to bed, just trim it and use a warm water to swallow it. Yeah, every evening. In the morning, you have to boil it. Use it as your tea, your morning tea. First thing in the morning, this is what you have to drink. And in the evening, you have to take just 2 pieces like this, trim it and swallow it with a warm water, not hot water, with a warm water. And the third part, what you're going to do, you just have to need a bucket, just a bucket, something like this, as you can see, a bucket, and you have to boil a mat of clove water. You have to boil a mat of clove water. Okay, then when the water is boiled, just pour it inside your bucket. Then you have to sit down on the bucket and use a towel to wrap your waist like this for 10 to 15 minutes. You will have to sit down in the clove hot water. Use the towel to wrap your waist and sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, in 15 days, I will tell you that you will testify. Let me just taste it out, and for me just to tell you that the taste is not so familiar. It's bitter, especially if you trim it and swallow it with warm water. Really, it tastes bitter. I can't lie to you, it tastes really bitter. Yes, but it is so very good to clean that body, to wash that body, and you will become fresh again. Yes guys, try it and let me know on the comment section below what you think about the 3 method you have to do. Okay, and I would love to see you all in my next one. Okay, and let me just test mine out right now. It scents so good. It scents so good. I love the scent. Yes, it scents so good.